Good morning, students. Today, from Pedagogy of English, we will discuss about importance of English language in human life. Generally, the language is whatever it may be. Each and every language is going to play an important role in human life because existence of the human beings, survivalence of human beings, living of human beings is going to be completely depends upon language itself only. You cannot separate human beings and a language. Why means language is the special ability of the human beings which can be used in social context. So here today we are going to learn what is the importance of English in human life. So first one, job prospect. So when you have communicative skills in English, when you have knowledge of English both in oral and also in a written manner, so English language is going to afford better job prospects throughout the world. Why means English is a global language. If you are going to get education in English, if you have a communicative skills in English, then you can able to go anywhere throughout the world, within the state or within the country, or if you wants to go other country for employment also, there they are going to concentrate on English only, whether you have a communicative skills in English or not, because as an employee you need to do communication by using a language which is nothing but English. Next, second one, economics. So across the world, throughout the world, whatever industrialization is taking place, whatever commerce development is taking place, whatever business is going on in business area, in commerce area, in trade area, what is playing an important role? English is going to play an important role. For example, in our Telangana, number of foreign companies are coming here to invest. Yes or no? So before going to invest here, so there is MOU between state government and also that company. So that MOU is going to take place only by using English itself only. So that's why you need to give education in English only in not only in Telangana, across the country also you need to give education by taking the support of language, especially English. So then only there is a possibility of doing a business at a global level. Next, in a traveling and also in a tourism around the world, English is playing an important role. If you wants to go to Tamil Nadu, you know that it is a temple state. Yes or no? So if you wants to travel there, if you wants to know the history of the temple, so there, if you go there, you cannot understand their language, means the Tamil, and they are not going to understand your language. And at the same time, so Telangana people can able to speak in Hindi, but whereas if you go to Tamil Nadu, so they are not able to speak even single word also in Hindi. So that is the major problem in travel and also tourism in Tamil Nadu. So that's why, so there they have English and you have English, so it is common language for both Telangana people and Tamil Nadu people. So then automatically in travelism, in a travel and also tourism, 100% there is a possibility of use of English only. So understanding a tourist places and understanding history of the places, importance of the history places, everything is going to be available by using English itself only. Next, for the purpose of information exchange also, what is going to play an important role? Language is going to play an important role. Across the world, throughout the globe, within the state or across the country, there is need to use information, exchange of information within the state, between the states, within the country, and throughout the globe. For that purpose, what is going to play an important role? Uh, English language is going to play an important role. So that's why English is called as a lingua franca of conferences. So wherever across the world, throughout the globe, conferences are going to take place. So there, here that English is going to play a role of a link language. So that's why by using English only, there is a possibility of information exchange across the world. In popular culture means that English is playing an important role for the purpose of development of the culture itself only. Why means complete globe is dominating by English. Because of the domination of English, so there is a development of a popular culture. Popular culture is modern culture, means that modern culture of development is taking place only by the support of English, because more than 50 to 60% people are using English across the world. Means that in entertainment, in music, in film, in literature, everywhere, uh, our concentration is completely on English. Even in Telangana, even in rural area, people are very much interested to see Hollywood movies, because Hollywood movies are completely in English. Even a music also, sometime for our mobile phone also we are use some ringtones of English. So that's the role English is playing throughout the globe. Next, in internet also, for the purpose of getting communication with people, for the purpose of getting content from the internet, you are going to type in English only. For example, we have a Google. So in Google also we are going to search for information using by English only. 90% you are going to use English, only 10% you are going to use your regional language or your mother tongue, because more number of information you are going to get, means that plenty of information you are going to get when you wants to get from the internet. So there is need to connect with internet by using English itself only. Next, in computer and also in information technology also we are using English, because for the purpose of development of the industry of computer and information technology, 100% we are using English itself only. Next, um, already you know that Roman alphabet in our India only, for the purpose of getting education also, we are taking the support of Roman numbers, Roman alphabets. Why? Because Roman alphabets are part and parcel of our life. So that's why, even though those Roman alphabetics are not yours, but you are going to use in your day-to-day life when you have an education. Next, English is using for official communication. If any international person will come to India, so their official communication is going to take place uh, by using English itself only. For example, Google CEO or Amazon, yes or no? Um, Infosys, or whoever will come to India, with them any person will do communication. So there they are going to use English itself only. So that's why nowadays English is using as an official communication. Even in Olympics, sports, in number of areas, English is using as an official language, official communication. Next, official language. In India, English is associated official language for indefinite period. In 1965, in Indian Constitution, it was included that English is going to become a associate official language for indefinite period. Even now also, English is playing associated official language of India. So here, in United Nations organization, along with French, English is playing the role of official language. Official language means everything is going to be take place in that area by using English itself only. Yes or no? So number of foreign countries are having, it is their a first language, it is their a must language, a mother language. So that's why whatever activities are going to take place in the those countries, each and everything is going to take place completely in English itself only. Next to scientific journals. So across the globe, throughout the globe, whatever journals are coming, whatever journals are publishing, most of the scientific journals are publishing in English only. So that's why if you want to become a scientist, you need to get what journals are publishing across the globe. And out of those journals, major number of journals are going to be published in science and technology. Next to publishing industry. Publishing industry means nowadays we are getting a number of books. Yes or no? Even in our library also, in our college also, more than 60 to 70% books are available in English only. Means that number of books are publishing in English itself only. Each and every author, most number of authors are writing books in English only. Next, link language means that English is playing the role of link language. Why means uh, within the nation or with other nations, English is playing the role of link language. Link language means one state people can do communication with other state people by using only English only. One country people can do communication with other country people by using English only. So that's why within the country throughout the globe, English is playing the role of link language, because there is a possibility of bringing connectivity between one state to another state, one country to another country. Next, in science and technology also, when you have an English, you are going to get innumerable opportunities, because advancement of science and technology, advancement in science and technology is going to completely depends upon English only. So when you have an English, then you can able to develop science and technology in a rapid manner. Yes or no? So nowadays we are using a technology, we are using a mobile phone. So in mobile phone, when you have English, you can able to use that mobile in an effective manner. Next, in literature and also for the purpose of getting a knowledge also, what is going to play an important role? English is going to play an important role. Literature means uh, number of famous people are writing books with respect of literature. Yes or no? So if you want to get literature of each and every country, each and every region, each and every area, you need to go through with English books only, because in English books only you are going to get, you are going to understand literature in a clear manner. And for the purpose of getting a knowledge also, English language is playing an important role. If you go through with your TV or your mobile phone, so whatever information is available in the TV or mobile phone, so that information is completely available in English. So when you go through with these areas, you are going to get knowledge of the society, knowledge of the world in a clear manner, and also whatever is available knowledge you are going to get 100%. Next, for the purpose of transforming spiritual heritage from one generation to another generation, what is playing an important role? Language is playing an important role, especially English. Even in India, even in our Telangana also, whatever spiritual heritage is there, spiritual divine heritage is there. So this spiritual divine heritage we can able to preserve and we can able to give to next generation also. For the purpose of giving this spiritual heritage from one generation to another generation, what is going to play an important role? English is playing an important role. From last 200 300 years, whatever spiritual heritage is there, we are getting. So whatever spiritual heritage with us, so we can able to give this spiritual heritage to next generation by using English itself only. And uh, next one, medium of education in India, throughout the globe. Nowadays, whatever education uh, people are getting, they are getting education uh, when they have English as a medium of instruction. So, medium of instruction will helps to get education in a particular manner. So, even in Telangana, in Andhra also, nowadays Telugu medium schools are transforming into English medium. Even in private sector also, complete private schools are establishing by using English medium only. Even parents, society, government feels that there is need to give education by using English as a medium of instruction. Then only they can able to compete with people of the world. So that's why in future, even each and every government school is going to transform from Telugu medium to English medium, so that they can able to get better education. Next, even in print and also media also, newspapers are available. Yes or no? Alage news channels also there, both in news channels and also newspapers. So number of news channels are available in English. Number of newspapers are available in English. So by reading English newspapers only, you are going to understand what actually taking place at international stage. So this is the importance of English language in human life. Thank you.